Don't
other than
tell me.
All the other sections on the side focus how there is great levels of corruption in this country. We have thrown out into focus how the lives of ordinary people are so ordinary, are so cheap, and are thrown away by the state for their profits, for their corruption. So Umar Khalid is a student leader. Sharjeel Imam is a student leader. They were both active during the CA NRC protest. Umar Khalid was also active before that in 2016, and both of them are now in jail under very strict draconian laws that have no place in a free society. And why I say these laws are strict, why I say these laws have no space in a free society, is because all of us have a right to trial. We are all innocent until proven guilty. But these two individuals, these two students, have been in jail for the past 5 to 6 years, and so far not even a trial has happened. Can you imagine? It's enough time to complete one undergrad and one master's as a student. All that time has passed, but the trial has not happened. If these two are guilty, by now state would have collected evidence, conducted a trial, and prosecuted them, right? But that is not happening. Can you imagine just being punished and you don't even know what your crime is?
Today's project
I'm
is clearly
Sir, see,
this is related. Will it not debate the objective of this protest?
what is the objective of the protest?
Resignation in victory mode.
Why? Why do we want Dharmendra Pradhan to resign?
Because of this.
No, why? I'm asking.
Umar Khalid.
Okay, I
You
asked.
want it because of Umar Khalid.
Can you go one by
You
one?
wanted
first?
his resignation because of Umar Khalid.
No, I'm trying to draw a logical connection to the last connection that I was drawing for the last 5 years. You do not seem to understand.
Sidesh, ayos प्रतिले येऊन आणि युनियन मिनिस्टर रिजाइन जालो पण युनियन मिनिस्टर रिजाइन जावन कितें फायदो आहा हो आनी आमचे हे 12 वर्सांचे आहा पळय तें झाडू मारून साफ करपाचें वो तहान दवरपाचें तें म्हाका आमचें मातशें सांग तें
The basic thing is the victory of the constitution. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार कशें आसता कोणें रिजाइन जावप ना रिजाइन जावप हे आसताच बट तेज्याची चड इम्पॉर्टंट हाव आर वी फॉलोईंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. लोक विसरले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणल्यार कितें तें पावर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणल्यार कितें फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच आर्टिकल 19/1 ABC ते सगळे जाण विसरले. कितें जाल्लें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फक्त लोकांक बूक दिसतालो तेजे बद्दल भितर कितें बरयलां तें कोणूच पळयना आशिल्लें. बट वेन अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्पीक्स चेयर्स शेक वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट थिंग ऑल्सो. सो बेजिकली कितें जाता आयज विक्ट्री इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ विक्ट्री नॉट full victory. Kityaq victory every state in every constituency in every part of nation has to come together. Victory म्हणल्यार कोणाक दुसऱ्यांक हारोवन मेळटा ती विक्ट्री न्ही बट आपल्याक सत्याची जीत मेळप आनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाची वीन आसप दॅट इज विक्ट्री एक्चुअली. आनी बेजिकली आय वूड क्लियर मेनी थिंग्स. नो वन इज एंटी नॅशनल नो वन बिलोंग्स टू टुकडे टुकडे गँग आनी आमी आसपाकूय जायना कोणूय आसल्यार भायर सरपा जाय ह्या कंट्रींतल्यान टुकडे टुकडे गँगातले. बेजिकली वी आर गोवन्स वी आर इंडियन्स अँड वी आर प्राऊड टू बिलोंग टू दीस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आनी वी ओबे. आयज कशें जाता आयज एक स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल मेळ्ळा कोणाक आमचे गोंयच्या आमदारांक आनी मंत्र्यांक की भायर सरले जाल्यार ही जशी खुर्ची हालला तशी ही खुर्ची हालपाक टायम लागपाना. कित्याक गोंयचो सद्या सगळ्यांकी व्हडलो इशू म्हणटा तो 39A. आमचे जागे आमचे न्हंयो आनी आमचे लेक्स आयज म्हाज्या वाठारांत सुद्दां 39A अंडर लेक कन्वर्जनाक काडला. सो अजून कांय जावं ना आतां जस्ट स्टार्टेड. सो मागता गोंयकारां कडेन थंड रावनाकात आयकोन उगी बसनाकात भायर सरात आनी जेन्ना जेन्ना गोंयकार उलो मारता तेन्ना गोंयकारां वांगडा रावात. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू. दोन तीन प्रोटेस्ट पळयले तुगे येयलाय तूं कांयच कितें उलोवप